Whether in single-user or multi-user mode, locking and unlocking is simple and straightforward. Just open the locker door, place your belongings into the locker, and close the door. With the door closed, enter your personal code on the keypad. Press the checkmark button and the lock will lock. To open the locker, enter your personal code on the keypad. Press the checkmark button and it will unlock. Now you can remove your belongings and close the door. If an object prevents the door from locking, the jam alert icon will display and a warning sound will be heard. Remove the object so the locking bolt is clear and it can lock properly.